Hello, my name is Jason Woolley, and I am the Laser Group Key Account Manager here at Abercorp Benzel. Today we're here to talk about the Adaptive Laser Optic version 3, called for short ALO3. The ALO3 laser optic is an optic that uses laser light in order to melt two pieces of material together. We use that in conjunction with a wire feed system, the Abercorp Benzel MF1, where we feed wire through the wire feed system, and then we actually also melt this wire. That wire acts as a filler material for the part itself that can be used in aluminum and steel welding. The ALO3 optic utilizes a tactile seam tracking arm right here that allows you to move back and forth and track the seam in the Y direction, as well as use a telescoping axis to move up and down in the Z direction. By using these two features, we can actually track the seam in 3 dimensions. The ALO3's swivel axis allows you to move plus or minus 90 degrees from the 0 position. In addition, we have a telescopic axis that can move up 13 millimeters and down 7 while maintaining an autofocus of plus or minus 5 millimeters. The ALO3 incorporates an autofocus into the optic itself. The autofocus utilizes a collimation mirror back here that moves up and down via servo, and we read the telescopic arm that moves up and down that registers the Z height of the part. As that telescopic axis moves up and down, we send a signal over to the collimation lens to follow it, and this keeps the exact spot size the same no matter where that part is within a tolerance of plus or minus 5 millimeters. The ALO3 has a cover glass. The cover glass actually prevents spatter from coming off of the work surface and contaminating the optic. This drawer has the safety glass that can be changed out in order to keep the optic in optimum running condition. Another new feature of the ALO3 is the PGM, Process Glass Monitor. This Process Glass Monitor allows us to measure the temperature of the glass and determine the amount of contamination that that glass receives. The ALO3 optic now has the option to be equipped with a SCEYE system. Our SCEYE system is an integrated camera that's coaxial to the beam that records the process as you're welding. This recording is coupled with all of the signals that are important for a good quality weld, such as laser power, wire feed speed, robot speed. As we're monitoring each one of these with the SCEYE system, we can go back and look at the videos of each weld to determine if any one of those parameters is causing any kind of issue with the weld. It's a fantastic diagnostic tool for your maintenance personnel. We have specialized algorithms that can actually see pores in the weld in real time. This allows you to not have a secondary or a post-scanning process, thus saving you both cycle time and money for your capital expenditures. The ALO3 now incorporates a new crossjet. It's the SCEYE Compact Crossjet. This crossjet was designed to outperform the original CJ2 crossjet normally available on the ALO3. We are seeing up to 8 times the cover glass life by using this new crossjet. In addition, this crossjet was designed specifically for our SCEYE quality system. It allows a larger field of view for the camera so that you can see more when you're looking back at your individual videos. The ALO3 is made with a modular construction that allows it to be configured for many different lasers. Anything from diode lasers to fiber lasers and disc lasers. The ALO3's field bus can be set up to match your plant. Whether you use Profinet, Profibus, Ethernet, Interbus, or DeviceNet, we have a compatible field bus for you. The ALO3's modular construction includes a Hirschman block. The Hirschman block located right here is a quick disconnect for the ALO3 optic. It allows you to mount the optic on the left side or the right side, all while maintaining the same TCP center point. The advantage to the customer is in an unfortunate crash incident, you can quickly remove this head, all within about 15 minutes, put a new head back on, and there is no need to reteach your robot. The ALO3 is perfect for a customer who's welding with laser and needs wire fill. Because the wire fill is integrated within the Optic, we use the tip of the wire in order to follow the seam. This patented design by Scansonic allows the customer to have variations in their part tolerances and yet still end up with a perfect weld every time. For more information about the ALO3, please go to our website, benzel-abacor.com, to the contacts page and look for your key account manager. I'm Jason WOOLLEY. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.